This meeting is being recorded.
Okay. Hello everyone. So now I'll present my sensor prototype. My prototype is about the smart rooms and condition monitoring. So this prototype I use this sensor of sound sensors, the and the LDR light sensor, the OLED to show the information and also let the user to control like the factory reset and also see another detail of the conditions by using the buttons and then the buzzer for the outputs to alert the user. And this gas sensor to detect the gas and the DHT is to detect the temperature and also the humidity. And the delay is used to control the fans or the alarms or anything else the external device. And this one is ESP. So this device is let the user to monitor their room conditions about these sounds, lights, the temperature, and also the humidity. And now I want to show the dashboard, how to use the dashboard. So first of all, we can see this dashboard is I log out first. First, you can see this one is a this one is a login page. If a user don't have the account, he can create an account. I enter their names, email, and also the invite code. Invite code is image a new product in the box have an invite code for the user to enter, and this is a password and the confirm password. So I log into the dashboard. That's one good through. You can see the password and log in. So in the dashboard, the first page is about the overview. The overview, the user can see the a big card to show the room conditions. There are warnings, normal, and also the critical. And you can select different rooms. We have the bedroom, bathroom, different room for the user to select to see the condition of each room. And these are the conditions sent by the ESP, the temperature, humidity, gas, light, and also the sound. And this one is humidity score, comfort score, and the status. This one is the total summary of this room. And the alert log is for the user to know what is happening. And the history is we have four charts: temperature chart, jet chart, light, and also the sound chart. And this one is the database record. Just get the data from the SQLite. And the device is for the user to delete the device. You can click the delete and you can select which which device you want to delete. You can click and confirm delete. And the add device is later I will show. And the Wi-Fi is allow the user to uh to connect to different Wi-Fi. Now you can scan the Wi-Fi, you can scan the network, so the Wi-Fi scan is requested. And after 5 seconds, the scan result will receive. So this Wi-Fi around the ESP will show and enter the password. You can connect to he can connect to different Wi-Fi. And when the user successfully connect the Wi-Fi, the detail of the Wi-Fi will store in the dashboard and also the database. So like the Poco SP Pro, X7 Pro is already connected through a auto store, so the user can choose to reconnect. When they change to another Wi-Fi, also reconnect to this Wi-Fi because the detail is already stored in the database and also the ESP reference. So user can choose to forget and connect against, and the control is allow the user to control the ESP. There are two modes. For the auto modes, the relay will always on. So when the situation become critical, the relay will auto turn on, and the external device like the fan and alarm also will automatically switch on. And the buzzer is when the critical also will be sound For the manual one is all is depend on the user. They want the relay on, so we can see now it's relay on, so the LED is switched on. If I switch off, apply control, so we can see the relay after the relay LED was will switch off after 5 seconds, or and the buzzer also. Now it's off, so there's no sound. I I on the buzzer and apply control. It was down. Now I switch off. And the last part is about the help. Help is allow the user to know which part how to use, and is as a preference and a user manual for the user to use this dashboard and also connect to the new device. Now I will show the user onboarding for the new device until connecting to the network and also from the network. So how the user to factory reset? Press the buttons. To press the button, long press the button at minute to factory reset all the detail in the ESP. You will auto deletes the device ID, device tokens, the Wi-Fi preference, and also and also all the details in the ESP. Um, will automatically reset all the detail in the ESP now run, and then the ESP will go to the AP mode. So he will give the Wi-Fi for the user to enter this Wi-Fi and save the detail of the Wi-Fi and also the pairing codes. Now I add a new room, and then generate the parent code. Now a new room is set on the parent code. Now we use a new device to to connect to the ESP. Now we can see this one is the dashboard for the user to enter their Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi SSID and also the password on the parent code inside the dashboard. Now I already enter all the detail inside the dashboard, so I save the data, and this one will share, and the data was saved and sent back to the ESP. So the ESP will after 5 seconds he will receive the data from the dashboard, and then he will pair all the details. And now you can see the new room already connected, and the Wi-Fi is a Poco SP Pro. I just now enter the Wi-Fi detail. So this one all the step of the user onboarding. Start from the new device. The go to the ESP will first enter the AP mode. AP mode will release a Wi-Fi for the device like the phone or laptop to connect to the Wi-Fi sent by the ESP. Then enter the dashboard to enter the details like the Wi-Fi SSID, the password, and also the parent code inside the dashboard. And then the dashboard was sent back to the ESP. So the ESP go to the cloud dashboard. He will pair the pairing codes dashboard parent code is inside the database through the backends, and the ESP will compare with the parent code inside the inside the database. If they are matched, the dashboard will show is already connected, so the user can control these devices, like the chain the Wi-Fi. Now I scan the Wi-Fi first. Okay. Now I connect to the Wi-Fi guest, connect to the Wi-Fi, my video and Wi-Fi guest. Now it will show requested to the menu and Wi-Fi. Alright. So you will switch to the real Wi-Fi. Now it's delayed, still delayed because it's now used switch for the focus to pro Wi-Fi to the menu and Wi-Fi guest. If this Wi-Fi is not connected successful, he will fall back to the previous Wi-Fi. Right. Now my Wi-Fi, I think is the line is not okay, so he will auto fall back to the previous Wi-Fi. Oh, and the last one is about the factor. The tree hole. The user can change the name, device name, also the room name, and also the temperature, and also the temperature tree hole, like the warning critical gas level, and also have the warning critical. And this one is for the behavior, for the LDR, the light sensor, height equal to that, and also the low equal to that, and also the last one is the outlook interval. Save the setting or send to the database, and the ESP can get the data from the database through the backend fast. Now we move to the database. So you can see I have I have 10 table. So you can see each for the data control is can see all the modes of the data, and the data event is what events of each device have done or already done. And the settings is about all the setting of the device, and it will show all the device that has already connected to this dashboard. Whatever is already delete or not users, will all stored in the database. Invite code is about the register one, and the sensor data is show all the data, but he was separated by using the device ID. Because the device ID, device tokens, and also the protocols is all unique. Every device was different. And the user now only have one user, and the Wi-Fi profile, all the Wi-Fi they have saved, they have used. Every device is separated, and the last one is a scan result. So that's all for the database, and I think that's all for my dashboard and the ESP prototype. Thank you.